Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Mitsubishi Triton GLX-R dual cab ute, stock reference number 4760. This shape runs from the 7th month 2006 through to the 4th month 2015. There's a 4D56, 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. 4D56, 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with radiator grills, aftermarket Drivetech 4x4 bull bar. Left guard appears to have no damage, less flare. Bonnet has a few large dents. Chrome power door mirror, non-indicator type. Has a set of Sunraisers with Firestone Destination MT2 tyres, all with good tread. Left front door, 4 small dents. Left rear door, large scrape dent and a couple of small dents. Left rear, 16-inch Sunraysia with a Firestone Destination mud terrain tyre. Factory alloy tray, no sides or headboard. Factory tow bar supplied with all bolts and brackets. Does have the little brush bars on it as well. Some damage on them. Right rear, 16-inch Sunraysia mag with a good mud terrain tyre. Left rear, right rear door, 3 small dents. Right front door, 7 small dents. Right power door mirror, chrome, non-indicator type. Right guard appears to have no damage with a safari snorkel with all fittings, and a right front 16-inch Sunraysia with a good Firestone mud terrain tyre. With the power window master switch, has an aftermarket black cloth Auto Technica seat for the driver's side. 5-speed manual gear shifter. Heated controls, display cluster, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.